Triumph 400 speed, just borrowed from Dave Death Motorcycle on the Isle of Wight. 400cc engine single, 40 brake horsepower, double the brake horsepower of the Hunter 350. Tricolour petrol tank, comes in 2 variations, this and the Scrambler. Scrambler a bit more expensive. Bar end mirrors, LED light, single clock with a rev counter on the LCD screen. Top quality seat, as you can see, very much like what's on the other models. Good quality foot pegs. Quite easy to get one foot on the ground, easy to rock back and forth because it's so light. Nice sounding motor, great machine.